today we have an interesting couple. So this couple came to us with 2 years of married life, and they are unable to conceive, and it was actually a second marriage for them. And we did a semen analysis for the male partner, and it was cryptospermia, and very occasional and very poor, morphologically very poor sperms. So we treated him, and then followed by that the IVF procedure was done. You can see we had these are the eggs which are retrieved from the wife, and these are also the eggs, and you can see we had left them for the blast. It is not a complete blast it is formed, but a compact blast is formed, so it's good. So these are the other two blasts. So we are expecting a positive pregnancy for the couple, and by God's grace, hopefully everything will go well. So these are the blasts. It's not a transferred. So once transferred, let me tell you the results. Thank you.